Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Cute Crafties right here, and today I am super excited as I'm going to show you how to make a DIY blusher in two ways. So now let's get started. So for the first way, the materials you're going to need are oil, foundation, food color, a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon. So now let's get started. First, take your mixing bowl and add up your foundation and oil. So now let's add it. After adding, you will get something like this, and now mix it up. Mix it until and unless you don't get a smooth consistency. And after adding both, let's add our food color now. Let's add 1 drop of it. After adding the food color, mix it. And guys, after mixing, you will get something like this. And guys, on more food color, you can add it to give it a darker shade. And see, your blush is ready. Now let's give it a try. Let's try it on our hand. Let's take some bit of it. And see guys, our blush is ready. And guys, to keep it safely, you will have to take a container, any container, and pour it in here. Okay guys, now our first method was successful. So now let's move on to the second way. So for that, the materials you're going to need are Vaseline skin protecting jelly and some bit of lip balm. Any lip balm color you can choose. I'm using this Maybelline New York. So now let's get started. First, take your bowl and your spoon and add in here some bit of Vaseline. After adding your Vaseline, you will get something like this, and now mix it. See guys, when you keep on mixing, you will get something like this. See, it is so smooth. And now in here, let's add some bit of oil. Only 2 drops. Now, let's again mix it. After mixing, you will have to add some bit of your Maybelline Baby Lips, which is lip balm. Let's add some. Little bit more. Let's add it. And guys, after adding your lip balm, you will have to mix it. You can add lip balm as per your choice. If you want dark, you will have to add a little bit more, and if you want light, you will have to add a little less. Let's mix it until and unless everything is getting mixed into that Vaseline. Now guys, after mixing, take out the rest of it, and then you will have to keep your lip balm in the fridge for about 30 seconds only. Remember, only 30 seconds. Let's keep it. Okay guys, now let's take it back from the freezer. And after taking, your lip balm will be ready. Now take your brush, and before applying, give it a good mix again. And see guys, I'll give you a benefit. See, when you add a little bit of color in your Vaseline, and after mixing, when you keep it in the freezer for 30 seconds, and when you again take it out, and when you mix, see, your color will be a little bit darker. See? Now let's apply it. Let's take a little bit and apply it right here. See guys, and our blush is ready. Let's add a little bit more. See guys, when you add more, you will get the dark shade. See? I wish you like my video, and if you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do leave a comment before watching the video. Okay, bye guys, meet you later in my next video. And before telling bye, I hope these two methods work for you. Bye.